Samsung is preparing to unveil its newest high-end smartphone series, the Galaxy S25. Although the official launch date remains undisclosed, we have managed to obtain intriguing information regarding the features and capabilities we can anticipate from these devices. One of the most noteworthy aspects of the Galaxy S25 series is likely to be its advanced camera system. Samsung has consistently pushed the boundaries of smartphone photography, and the S25 is expected to continue this trend. Rumors suggest that the series will feature a significantly upgraded main camera sensor, along with improved telephoto and ultra-wide lenses. Additionally, we can expect enhancements in low-light photography and video recording capabilities. In terms of performance, the Galaxy S25 series is anticipated to be powered by Qualcomm's latest flagship processor, offering substantial improvements in speed and efficiency. This, coupled with ample RAM and storage, should ensure a seamless user experience for demanding tasks such as gaming and multitasking. Another area where we can anticipate significant advancements is the display. Samsung has a reputation for producing some of the best smartphone displays on the market, and the S25 series is likely to maintain this tradition. Rumors suggest that the devices will feature larger, higher resolution screens with improved brightness and contrast ratios. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to have a refined design with flatter sides and rounded corners. This is a departure from the curved edges of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and it is rumored to offer a more modern and sleek aesthetic. The phone is also expected to be slightly lighter than its predecessor, making it more comfortable to hold. The display of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to be a 6.86-inch panel with slimmer bezels. This will provide an immersive viewing experience as there will be less screen border to distract from the content. The display is also expected to have a high refresh rate, which will make scrolling and gaming smoother. Overall, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a very impressive phone. Its refined design, lightweight build, and immersive display are all features that are likely to appeal to many users. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is poised to redefine smartphone photography with its groundbreaking camera system. The centerpiece of this system is expected to be a colossal 200-megapixel main sensor. This sensor is designed to capture an unprecedented level of detail, even in challenging lighting conditions. Whether you're shooting intricate close-ups or breathtaking landscapes, the 200-megapixel sensor promises to deliver stunning results. To further enhance the camera's versatility, Samsung is rumored to include a new 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens. This lens will offer a wider field of view, making it ideal for capturing expansive landscapes, group photos, and architectural subjects. With the combination of a high-resolution main sensor and a versatile ultrawide lens, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to become a powerhouse for mobile photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 series is likely to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor. This cutting-edge chip promises to deliver exceptional performance for demanding tasks, whether it's gaming, video editing, or multitasking. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to have a 5,000 mAh battery to keep up with the demands of a powerful smartphone. This should provide ample battery life for even the most intensive users. Additionally, support for 45-watt fast charging means you can quickly top up the battery when needed. Samsung's upcoming flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, is poised to redefine the smartphone experience. One of its most anticipated features is satellite connectivity. This revolutionary technology will enable users to stay connected even in remote areas, where traditional cellular networks may be unreliable or unavailable. Whether you're hiking in the mountains, exploring a remote wilderness, or simply traveling to areas with limited coverage, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will keep you connected to the world. Another standout feature is the device's massive internal storage. Rumors suggest it will offer up to 1 terabyte of storage, providing ample space for your apps, photos, videos, and other digital files. With such a generous storage capacity, you can capture and store high-resolution photos and videos without worrying about running out of space. While the exact pricing details for the Galaxy S25 series have yet to be officially announced, it's anticipated that the devices will be priced similarly to their predecessors. As we get closer to the official launch, we can expect to learn more about the specific pricing tiers and availability options. Are you excited about the Samsung Galaxy S25 series? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.